Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2016 Nissan Micra ST hatch, stock reference number 3962. This shape runs from the 10th month 2011 through to the 12th month 2016. It has a HR12 1.2 litre 3-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. HR12 1.2 litre 3-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the radiator grille. Left hand guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 14-inch steel rims. The left front has an average tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left tail light, it's got a tidy rear park sensor type bumper bar. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has a couple of small dents. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror. And a right front 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It has an automatic type console in black, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.